Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset Anbernic RG35XX. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, if you're wondering how do you actually reset your device here, well, it's fairly easy. Now, to make this a lot easier for you, we actually have in this case, an illustration and some specifications or some labels here just to make it easier for you. So usually if, like, for example, you change your SD card on your device here, it might not work properly. So the first thing you want to make sure here is you've properly inserted your SD cards. That in this case, it might not turn on properly, or you might not be able to access the contents of your SD card if it's not properly plugged in. So first, make sure you've plugged it in. Now, for you to do a factory reset here on your device, what you need to do is you need to look for the power keys and the reset key. So usually the power key and reset key is going to be at the top right here, which is they are next to each other. So in this case, the longer one is going to be the power button. The smaller one, which also has an R on it, is going to be the reset button. Now what you need to do is you need to press and hold these two buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. Now in this case, this will actually do a short reset, or it will actually reset your device here. So just hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and from then on, that should proceed with the reset. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.